None. Let's dive into 8 foods that can send your blood sugar soaring. First up, sugary drinks. These tasty beverages are loaded with sucrose and high fructose corn syrup, causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Next, mangoes. As delicious as they are, they're packed with fructose and have a high glycemic index. Honey, often seen as a healthier sweetener, can also quickly raise your blood sugar. Sugarcane, whether as juice or processed sugar, is another culprit. Confectionery items like candies and chocolates, they might be yummy, but they cause quick spikes too. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta lack fiber and elevate blood sugar fast. Starchy veggies like potatoes and corn can also be problematic, especially when eaten in large amounts. And lastly, fast food. Burgers, fries, and energy bars are major blood sugar offenders. Remember, moderation is key. Stay informed and keep your blood sugar in check. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips in just 1 minute.